Deep side part, 24 inches, dramatic edges. It's giving. It's giving. Okay. I have not done my hair like this in so long, and I decided to go ahead and just switch it up, do something different. When you do baby hairs, it just makes you feel like the install is just so clean to me. Just in my opinion. That's just me. But the wig is from Alipearl Hair. It is a 24-inch frontal, full frontal, 13x6 parting space. It came with all the goodies in the box that you need to install the wig and to maintain the wig. We love that. And it comes pre-curled, pre-layered, and pre-plucked. Everything that you need as a beginner to install your wig and be ready to go. Really, you don't even have to style it. You can just put the wig on if you want. But today we are going to style it. I'm going to be showing you guys that deep side part that I showed in the beginning of this video, the baby hairs, the curls, every single thing that I did down to the ball cap method is going to be in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm not going to do too much talking, just beginning to end full styling video. All the details on the wig will be down in the description box below, and if you want to know pros and cons of the wig, I will run that down real quick. I love Alipearl Hair. They're one of my favorite wig companies, and the only thing that I will say in this wig that I did not like was it does shed. It does not shed excessively, but you do get a little bit of shedding. Considering that it is a color, it's not bad on the shedding. So I'm going to give it a 8 out of 10. The wig is full. The lace is nice for it to be transparent. And I really just do not have too much bad things to say about the wig. The curls hold up really nice. They do drop over time, but that's probably because I have a really full wig. So you can test that out depending on the density of your wig and just keep those things in mind. But I'm going to go ahead and get into the install of the video. Keep on watching and let me know what you think of the install, of the turnout, of the everything down in the comment section below. And follow me on TikTok because I am going to post a mini tutorial of this look. I'll also post it on YouTube Shorts, which I tend to do, but follow me on TikTok because I'm way more active over there, like all the time. I want you guys to follow me on all my socials so we can keep up.